Hi, I'm Professor Paul Tipton. I'm President of the British Academy of Restorative Dentistry and also Professor of Cosmetic and Restorative Dentistry at the City of London Dental School in the UK. I'm also Director of Tipton Training Limited in the UK. What I'd like to do for you is just to mention a little bit about what we're doing with Dental Solutions Limited in Nigeria. So we have formed a partnership with Dental Solutions in Lagos. They are partners in Nigeria and also throughout the rest of Africa. And we've come together to bring some UK education to Nigeria, especially through Tipton Training and through B.A.R.D. The types of education that we're offering are PG certificates and PG diplomas. These are also registered with Eduqual in the UK, which is a British government-backed scheme, and can also be Royal College of Surgeons accredited. We aim to do these courses for the Nigerian dentists, for yourselves, on a regular basis, and we've already been over to Nigeria, to Lagos, several months ago to do our first module. Of course, at the moment, with everything that's happening in the world and the coronavirus problem, everything's been suspended. And so what we're doing at the moment is to also give to people some form of free education during the time when obviously everybody is in lockdown. In the UK, we've been in lockdown now for approximately 3 weeks, which has meant that we cannot do any face-to-face training. So we put all of our trainings online. And in fact, we are now doing online trainings for the Nigerian dentists who are already signed up to the course. So for them and also for new delegates or people, dentists who are interested in doing some of our courses with us when the crisis finishes, then I'd like to offer to you, to all of you, free webinars. We are doing one per day through myself and also the faculty at the British Academy and also at Tipton Training. We'd like to offer them for you completely free of charge as a way of us trying to keep you going. Through times of crises, one also has to try to look forwards. And I know it's very difficult in these times, but there are also opportunities. And I've been through many crises in my lifetime. As you can see, I'm not a young chicken. I've been through many of these times. And the one thing that it always gives you is the opportunity to sit back, to reflect on where you are, to pause in your careers, as we all need from time to time, some time to pause and look back, but then also to go again. And it's important that you now plan your future. And during this lockdown, during the time when you're not able to see patients in the normal way, is to sit back there to think where you want to go, where do you want to be, to plan your future. When we're looking at planning should always be a 10-year goal, followed by a 5-year goal, 3-year goal, 2-year and 1-year. So all of you, if you'd like to be involved, then please sit down with a blank piece of paper and map out where you want to be in 10 years' time, what your practice needs to be like in 10 years' time, where you want to be physically. And then we come back and say, in order to do that, where do you need to be at 5 years, 3 years, 2 years and 1 year? The other aspect which I think you need to also look at is success. When you're planning for the future, you also have to plan for success. What does success mean? What's it mean to you? Success for most people involves having a good, thriving practice, having money coming in, being able to feed the family, having a nice lifestyle. Success, however, is built on 4 platforms. Platform number 1 is knowledge. And you need to understand dentistry if you want to have a successful career in dentistry. Some aspects of dentistry are changing very rapidly. Other aspects of dentistry, such as occlusion, have been around for years and years, but most people don't really understand occlusion because it's not been taught to them properly. So the first fundamental is knowledge. Knowledge is power. and you need to understand the theory of dentistry. And we at Tipton Training through B.A.R.D and with our partners at Dental Solutions, we are here to give you that theory so you can understand the present level, the present state of knowledge in dentistry. So that's number one. Number two, you also need to have good hand-eye coordination. And again, the courses that we're doing with Dental Solutions are very much hands-on courses. So we will teach you, if you wish to come on the course, and we are teaching delegates already, how to implement the theory and to put that into practice. How to do good crown preparations, how to go and prepare the brand new VertiPrep crown margin, how to understand occlusion and put that into everyday practice, how to build up somebody's worn teeth with either veneers, crowns or composites. Those are all the practical aspects which we're teaching you. So number one, theory and knowledge. Number two, hand-eye coordination. Number three, you need to have good communication skills. And throughout the courses, we'll also be teaching you the communication skills. So you can talk to your patients, you can treatment plan your patients, and you can make sure that they understand what you're trying to do for them and the benefits. Again, the benefits only come from you understanding the theory part. And the fourth part, and that's the part we can't treat you or can't teach you because it comes from within, is that burning desire to do well, that desire for hard work. Now this brings us back to the lockdown, and it's a fantastic time for you now to take that pause to plan where you want to be, to plan the route ahead, and to see if inside you do have that burning desire to achieve, that burning desire to go through the course with us and to learn new skills and to put those new skills into practice with your patients. The advantages are manifold. Number one, the obvious one, is financial advantage. You can do more things, you can do things better, you can charge for that. The second thing, often goes without thinking about it, is inside here we get that feeling that we're doing a good job, that we're learning. There's nothing better than education, to feel that you're on that very cusp, you've learned something new today. So many benefits. Please, if you are interested in the free webinars, then sign up to the Tipton Training website. Go onto the website and there is a registration form which you can fill in, and you will get the webinars sent to you, the notification. You'll also get pre-recorded webinars which you may have missed. If not, if you're having problems with that, then email courses@tiptontraining.co.uk or louiser@tiptontraining.co.uk. Otherwise, get in contact with Dental Solutions in Lagos. They're our partners, and we hope to see you soon. Take care in this former crisis and turn it around into an opportunity. Nice to speak to you. See you all soon. Goodbye.